So if you want to construct the centroid of a triangle, what we need to do is find the midpoint, which is really the same thing as finding the perpendicular bisector, but we won't care about the perpendicular part. So we just want to find the middle, and we're going to find the middle by constructing the perpendicular bisector of two sides of this triangle. So I'm going to take my pointy part, I'm going to put it right here, and I'm going to go a little bit more than halfway, and I'm going to arc, and then I'm going to do the same thing on this part right here. So I'm going to do the same thing, arcing it. I barely was more than halfway, that's why it's so skinny, and connect the dots of these two intersections to be able to get that perpendicular bisector that we need. So, connect the dots with the straight edge, here and here, and there we go. You can draw the full line, or the only part we're really concerned with, though, is this point in the middle, because the centroid only needs the midpoint. It doesn't need the actual red line of the perpendicular bisector. We only needed that midpoint, and we're going to use that midpoint to draw the median of the triangle, and the median of the triangle is going from the midpoint up towards the other corner. So we just found the midpoint. Now we just, using our midpoint that we just have, draw the median up to the opposite corner or opposite angle of that triangle. So this red line right there, that is my first median. I just need to find another one. Doing the same exact process. I am going to choose this side right here, the short side, mainly because this side feels like it's already got a lot of stuff. So I'm going to choose this side. I'm going to find the perpendicular bisector to get the midpoint again. So open the pointy part of your compass and put it on the corner. Make sure you're more than halfway when you make that arc. And do the same process on the other side without changing the width of your compass. There they are. Using a straight edge, we're going to connect the dots to get that midpoint. So, straight edge, intersections of my fish. Draw that red line. There's my midpoint. Again, it's the midpoint that matters this time, not the actual perpendicular bisector, which I'm erasing right now because we don't need it. Sometimes it just gets too much. There's too much going on. Going from the midpoint to the opposite corner, we get our other median, and that other median is going to be where we have the two intersections that were required to find the centroid, which is right there, smack dab in the middle. That point is the centroid, and that point is all we needed. We don't have to find the median of all three sides of the triangle, only two. All right? That's it.